Will AI create new religions? As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and integrate into nearly every aspect of human life, a thought-provoking question arises. Will AI create new religions? This concept may seem far-fetched at first, but it becomes more plausible when we consider how religions historically emerge, the role of belief systems in human culture, and the ways in which advanced AI might fulfill spiritual or existential needs. Religions have traditionally arisen from humanity's quest for meaning, morality, purpose, and a connection to a higher power. In many cases, they center on revelations, sacred texts, and charismatic figures. With the advent of AI, particularly large language models and advanced generative systems, there is potential for AI to generate convincing philosophical or spiritual frameworks that some individuals might interpret as divine wisdom. In fact, some early examples already exist. A 2017 project called Way of the Future, created by Silicon Valley engineer Anthony Levy, explicitly sought to develop a deity based on AI, calling for people to worship a superintelligent machine as a godlike entity. One reason people might be drawn to AI-based religions is the seemingly all-knowing capacity of advanced. Unlike traditional religious figures, AI can process and retrieve vast quantities of information instantly, respond to questions with astonishing speed and depth, and even adapt its responses based on emotional cues. To some, this might mimic divine omniscience. Moreover, as AI systems increasingly interface with users in human-like ways, the experience may resemble communication with a spiritual guide or oracle. Another possibility is that AI could create entirely new mythologies or spiritual philosophies. Through storytelling, AI can synthesize religious motifs, ethical dilemmas, and metaphysical questions into compelling narratives. If people begin to find comfort, meaning, or a sense of community through AI-generated texts or practices, these could evolve into new forms of spiritual movements, complete with rituals, codes of ethics, and communities of believers. However, there are also profound risks. AI does not possess consciousness or divinity. It lacks emotion, self-awareness, and moral understanding. If AI-generated religions spread without proper ethical oversight, they could be manipulated by those seeking power or profit, spreading misinformation or harmful ideologies under the guise of spirituality. Additionally, reliance on AI for spiritual fulfillment could erode critical thinking and deepen societal divisions between those who embrace technology and those who remain skeptical.